Howdy crew, got another unboxing for the welding rig. Let's get to it. Alright, I'm going to go through the unboxing part of this fairly fast because if y'all read the front of the box that y'all can see, you already know what it's going to be. So not too much suspense there. But I'm very excited for this. It's going to help save a lot of space. Alright. It's going to help save a lot of space on the rig, as you all know, with the storage issues. So, what I have here is a retractable oxy-fuel line holder. So, it didn't do too well with the packaging on its way here, but yeah. Once I get it out of the darn box. You weren't kidding, this thing weighs about 60 pounds. So it's adding a good amount of weight to the rig, unfortunately, which I need to be careful about as I see, and I'll keep y'all updated on that part. There we go. As y'all can see, it didn't do too well in the shipping. That off there, that off. Now the truck's covered in all this awful white styrofoam stuff. Okay, so this is a retractable oxy-fuel holder. And let's see. So it just retracts and boom, voila. Now, one thing, first y'all can see it does have its lines here. It's standard BB fittings, which is meaning it has B fittings, but BB means both B. So if y'all didn't know that, learned that one myself. Got that. And it says 25 50-foot dual hose welding reel, which isn't good because I bought a 100-foot one. Okay, so I'm gonna have to figure that out. Let's see. I have extra hose here, but I won't be using these because I'm using the one for oxypropane, and this is oxyacetylene line, so I'll have to replace all of this, which is fine. I already got a line for that, but pull it out, and there you go, it locks in. Boom. Awesome. One thing I'm going to do is have this turned to where this is either going to be down here or up there. Reason being, it's going to be mounted to, well, it's actually not going to be mounted to the toolbox. It's going to be mounted on a piece of square tubing, rectangular tubing, what have you, on top of the toolbox. I found that this is 9 inches wide. And what that does, at least I'm assuming this was 9 inches wide, could be here. And what that does, the toolbox, just say this is the lid to the toolbox, this is the top, it actually opens up and goes above, and it goes over. So that, being with the base, is an issue. Now, if this piece over here is measured in the 9 inches, I wasn't sure. I'll have to double check now. I'm not sure if I'm gonna go get that rectangular tubing now. So yeah, I will still have to figure this out, but it's great having a retractable line. It's awesome. And I wouldn't mind it if it was a hand crank, but the hand crank ones were just way too much space, unfortunately. And yeah, this was several $100s off of Amazon. It's not, I know the blue, a lot of folks think of Coxreel, Coxreel, with the blue, but this is not that brand. This is just whatever was on Amazon, but happened to fit the sizing I needed. There were some great ones that just didn't fit the sizing, unfortunately. And it says in the instructions 25 to 50 foot dual hose welding reel, and I bought the 100-foot one, so I'm gonna have to double check that, because if it's only for the 50 foot, then that's not good. But it's great that this will stay stationary. These plug into here, and as y'all can see, this whole thing turns, and then you plug in your other line that will go to these, and that will be that. I'll probably have it run either through the back side or through the front, have it stationary over here at all times. Whenever I need it, I just pull it out and plug it in over there. I'm not sure yet. I will figure that out at some point, so I will keep you all updated on that, as with a lot of other things. But I'm very happy about this. I just have to change where this setting is, which shouldn't be too hard. So anywho's, I wanted to give that update, and then I'll have this fitted. I obviously can't do that one-handed. This thing is 6 pounds, and I have to get this changed out to my oxy propane hoses. I believe those are T grade and this H grade. Don't quote me. I've been through enough letters and numbers standing for things for one day. I believe that's what it is. If it's not, don't quote me. I will obviously keep y'all updated on what those actual things are. This is 1/4-inch line, in case y'all are wondering, and I'll have to measure this out to figure out. But yeah, so anyways, hope y'all enjoyed. It's the next unboxing. You will obviously be updated once this is getting installed and finished on the rig. Hope y'all enjoy it, and I'll see y'all in the next vlog.